Assalamu alaikum students. Today topic is fifth generations, which started from 1981 to present and beyond. Before that, we have discussed first generation, which was based on vacuum tube, then second generation, which was based on transistor, then third generation, which was based on integrated circuit, and then fourth generation, which was basically based on microcomputer. So now we are going to discuss fifth generation. As I told you, fifth generation computer are based on artificial intelligence and parallel processing. These were the two technology introduced. This fifth generation is still continue. Basically, the use of artificial intelligence is not obsoleted by any other technology. So we are still trying to explore artificial intelligence in this generation. And the best example, as I told you, the robotics. So now see what is fifth generation. Fifth generation characteristics, which started from 1981 to present and beyond. ULSI technology introduced in this generation. It means ultra large scale integration. As I've shown you a chart regarding this, which started from small scale integration, medium scale integration, then large scale integration. These three scale introduced in third generation. Then VLSI, very large scale integration introduced in fourth generation, and in fifth generation, ultra large scale integration introduced. So on the basis of ULSI, computer was established in fifth generation, and they were also based on artificial intelligence and parallel processing. So improvement in ICs made it possible to establish very small computer like laptop, palm top, tablet, and mobile phone, etc. Now microprocessor could have millions of electronic components due to ULSI. So computer efficiency, speed, and storage capacity improved very much. Artificial intelligence and parallel processing introduced. So now computer think, behave, and work like human, as I just told you in the artificial intelligence lecture. Due to artificial intelligence, robotic technology came, and now work can be done on those dangerous places where humans themselves could not go, like space, mountain, under deep sea, or burning places. So use of robotics is going to be very common, and in next 10 years, it will be available everywhere in the world, especially at home. This technology is still using in industries, but still it is very rare. But hopefully in next 10 to 15 years, robotic technology will be available everywhere in the world. And this technology will make our life very easier. But there is another threat. They will replace our jobs. So it is expected like in UK, 30 lakh jobs could be replaced by only robotics. Artificial intelligence include many fields like virtual reality, robotics, or development of expert system to make decision in near life situation or natural language understanding. So expert system means which is used especially in the medical field. Uh, Doctor used to prescribe the disease because it has the large database. What was the prescription of the disease in the last 10 years? So doctor can use this technology also. Some more example of artificial intelligence like voice recognition, speech recognition, recognition also introduced using artificial intelligence. In this generation, computer had self-learning abilities and ability to recognize graphs and images. Then you can see due to the introduction of parallel processing, more CPU or processor can be used in single computer means more speed and better efficiency, as I've discussed in parallel processing lecture. Very high level language introduced in this generation, which made programming easier for programmers like C and C++, Java, .NET, etc. More user-friendly interfaces feature introduced in operating system and in software, and multimedia feature also introduced in computer. So user-friendly environment being improved in the fifth generations. Later on, it more improved. So now people can work on operating system and software very easy. Different variety of computer introduced with lower prices. Different sizes of computer introduced in this generation are desktop, laptop, notebook, ultrabook, Chromebook, etc. This is the end of lecture. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.